Hello makers, welcome to the AGF channel. My name is Melly and I'm excited to talk about AGF Studio's latest collection called Selva. In today's tutorial, we'll be sewing up the Prism puzzle block. This block is packed full of the cutest animals. Playful tigers, lazy sloths, and elephants all in a row. My favorite print from the collection are these lazy sloths hanging from tree branches. And today I'm wearing the cutest button-up pattern with our cotton fuchsia tiger print. So for the details, stick around to the end of the video.
If you're new to our channel and love learning new quilting techniques, don't forget to subscribe below to watch more fun sewing tutorials like this one. Check out the description box below and download a printable PDF with all the cutting requirements and step-by-step instructions. To create our corner units, you will need all your 2.5 inch squares from fabric D. Since this fabric is directional, we'll have to make sure the print is going vertical. Draw diagonal lines from corner to corner on each square as follows. Take your 2.5 inch by 4.5 inch strips from fabric E and place your 2.5 inch squares on each end of your strip. When you sew on the line you drew, your elephants all should be right side up. Sew on the line you drew and trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch. Join all your 2.5 inch squares from fabric E to your 2.5 inch squares from fabric F. Sew these units to your corner square strips to complete your corner block units. To make your inner arrow units, you will need your 2.5 by 4.5 inch strips from fabric C. Place a 2.5 inch square from fabric B to each end of your strip and draw a diagonal line from corner to corner with a fabric marking pen, making sure the diagonal lines are facing in. Pin your squares into place and sew on the line you drew. Trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch and repeat the same process with your 2.5 inch squares from fabric G, taking into consideration the direction of your fabric. Sew on the line you drew and trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch. Press your seams in alternating directions and sew your corner square triangle strips together to create 4 blocks. Now all of your units in your block are complete. Place out all your units following the block design and sew your units into rows. Sew your rows together matching up seams and your Prism puzzle block is complete. Make sure to share your quilt block creations made with AGF fabrics on social media using the hashtag AGF Quilt Block Collection.
Our Prism puzzle block is complete, and I can't believe I used 7 prints from the Selva fabric collection in one quilt block. I'm loving all these bright, vibrant colors. So my shirt is the Williamette shirt by Hey June Handmade, and I'm loving this oversized boxy look. Just wear it with your favorite pair of jeans and you're all set to go. For more fun sewing projects made with Selva fabrics, make sure to check out our new fabric lookbook. The link will be in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your sewing friends. And before I end this video, I just wanted to let you all know that this will be my last video for the AGF channel because I'm moving back home to my home state of Minnesota to be closer to family. But don't worry, I'll always be AGF's #1 fan and will continue to create, sew, and inspire. Thanks to all of you for following along to my videos and for making this sewing community a beautiful space for us to grow and learn from one another. Until next time, happy sewing.